The 2010 Honda Ridgeline. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: XM satellite radio, heated seats, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, AM/FM stereo with in-dash 6-disc CD changer, one owner, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, CD player, heated front seats, fog lights, trip computer, power windows, leather, brake assist. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.